Hi guys, my name's Stephen Sinclair and I'm fundraising with GiveStar. In 2016, I lost the most important man in my life. That was my granddad. Fast forward 3 years and my son was born. We decided to name my son Frankie after my granddad. Frankie is 4-year-old, he's autistic and non-verbal, and he's the reason why I'm taking on this challenge. And after checking out their platform, I made the change over them. The app is super easy to use and I'm now closing in on my £3,000 target.
I was aiming to do the race in under 3 hours. In the end, it took 3 hours and 34 minutes. It was hard, but I know with a few adjustments, I could definitely do the Great North Run with a tumble dryer on my back in under 3 hours. In total, I raised £3,500 for my 2 charities, the Castle School, where my son attends, and also the North East Autism Society. But I'm not stopping there. If you thought that was tough, just wait till you see what I do next.